Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring power and safety. This protects you and the electronics. First, unplug and visually inspect the cord. Frayed insulation often causes intermittent faults. Once done, confirm the outlet supplies the correct voltage, 120V or the model-specified voltage, and reset the circuit breaker if tripped. Then plug in, insert the safety key, and set incline to 0 so the belt can move freely. These steps prevent electrical hazards and let you diagnose mechanical issues without surprises. Now you inspect the moving parts because most performance problems originate here. You should center the belt by loosening the rear adjustment bolts and turning the adjustment screws in small increments. Tension is correct when you get roughly 1/2 inch of lateral play. Next, lift the belt and inspect the deck. Excessive wear means replacement. Light sanding and a fresh lube can help temporarily. Finally, run the motor at low speed. A grinding or high-pitched squeal indicates bearing or drive issues that need repair or replacement. Finish by reassembling and calibrating so performance is reliable. Tighten all bolts to spec, retract the belt so it runs centered, and use the console calibration routine if your model offers one. This ensures speed and incline accuracy. Then perform a 10-minute test. Start at walking pace, gradually increase to jogging, and watch motor temperature and belt behavior. If symptoms persist, reset the firmware, inspect roller bearings and the controller board, and note error codes. If you see persistent codes, that points to electronics rather.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.